Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to update call settings in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to this call button, that is dialer, and go to these three vertical dots and click on settings here. And if you are seeing update, click on update. Okay, here a new version of calls is available, and not now update is showing. If you don't update as of now, click on not now. Otherwise, if you would like to update, click on update. Here I would like to update this call settings, and click on update, and it will be updated. Just wait. Samsung call is opening from Galaxy Store, and click on update, and it will be updated. It's downloaded and installation is going on, and click on open now. Installation completed. Click on open. Or go back and again go to call settings, call button, and click on these three vertical dots and click on settings here. And yes, call settings have been updated, and now update is not showing. So yes, it has been updated. So in this way, you can easily update call settings on your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.